Hi, I'm Miles from Home Loan Junction. Here's a quick guide for self-employed applicants to try and make your home loan application that much easier. Definition: you are considered to being a self-employed if you have a 20% or more shareholding status in the business from which you earn. There is a significant difference of being a director or a shareholder. Not all directors are considered being self-employed unless they hold a shareholding status. Three critical bank criteria. Number one, balance sheets. Number two, your income statements. And number three, your confirmation of income. Balance sheets. Does this confirm that the business is actually solvent? Banks require that the business is always solvent. If the business is technically insolvent, the accountant would need to draft a letter of explanation and expected date of when solvency can be returned. Income statement. Does this confirm that the business is actually profitable? If losses are noted, what are the reasons here? Are they operational? Are they unordinary or unusual expenses? Is there depreciation noted? Accountant would have to confirm and explain. Confirmation of income. Income letters must note gross or net income values. Is the shareholder's income noted as a separate journal entry? In other words, in the financial statements, are the journal entries referring to a director's remuneration or a member's income portion? Or if grouped with all the other staff and salary wages, then the accountant must note this and the portion thereof. Shareholders' personal expenses paid by the business needs to be supported in the financials. Is the personal income declared actually being paid to the shareholders' personal bank accounts? Here you're welcome to ask us for our income letter template. Documentation required. The latest 2 years financial statements that need to be signed by the member and the accountant. Management accounts in the same format as year-end financials, if more than 2 months from year-end and not older than 3 months from date of application. A 6-month business bank statements, and accountant letters that confirm the income gross or net and confirming the solvency or shareholding status. Some self-employed myths. I'm 100% owner, but I pay myself a salary, so I'm salaried, right? Nope, you are self-employed. Some banks may apply salaried rules if income matches payslips and financials. I live off the business, so it pays for everything. No, the business cannot legally pay 100% of all personal expenses. Banks can accept explanations. My business is not registered. I'm a sole proprietor, so I don't legally need financials. No, the bank will expect financial statements. My side hustle gets paid into my account. The bank can use that, right? No, it needs to be supported by financial statements. I've just started my business in the last year or so. Can I get a loan? No, the banks will expect a full 2 year trading history to place reliance on the income used and declared. There are really rare exceptions. Feel free to call me. My name is Miles on 083 661 5765.